Understanding superheat and subcooling is key if you want your HVAC system running smooth without wasting cash or breaking down. So, superheat is all about the temperature increase of refrigerant after it's fully evaporated in the evaporator coil, and subcooling is the temperature drop of liquid refrigerant before it hits the expansion valve. To get this right, first measure the suction line temperature and pressure to find superheat, and for subcooling, check the liquid line temp and pressure before the expansion valve. Always compare your readings with the manufacturer's specs because every system is kinda different. If you want to avoid expensive repairs, keep an eye on these numbers regularly, especially during seasonal changes. Make sure your system isn't undercharged or overcharged, since both mess with superheat and subcooling levels. Also, clean or replace filters and check airflow because poor air movement can totally throw off your readings. If you're unsure about taking measurements, a digital manifold gauge set makes life easier and more accurate. Remember, small changes in superheat or subcooling can mean big problems down the line. One of the main issues with superheat and subcooling is low superheat readings, which often happen due to an overcharged system. This means there's too much refrigerant, so you want to safely remove some to fix it. Another common problem is a thermal expansion valve stuck open, causing liquid refrigerant flooding the evaporator. Replacing or repairing the valve usually clears this. Lastly, a low heat load on the evaporator can cause low superheat since there isn't enough heat to vaporize refrigerant properly. Increasing airflow or checking system sizing helps here. All these factors are pretty typical in HVAC troubleshooting, and knowing them saves you from costly fixes. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners wanting to connect with reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors grow their business by matching them with people looking for expert help on home projects.